Hello, welcome to Craft Drawer. Let's get creative and make some fun and easy paper boats and paper airplanes. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe. How to make a paper boat. Materials needed. 1 sheet of letter-size paper, 8.5 by 11 inches, or A4 paper. Thicker paper like construction paper or lightweight cardstock is better for floating, but regular printer paper works too. Optional: clear tape to make it more waterproof. Instructions: start by placing the paper vertically, like a tall rectangle. Fold the top edge down to the bottom edge, making a long horizontal crease. Next, fold the paper from left to right to find the center, then unfold. This center crease will guide you. Fold the top corners down toward the center crease, forming a triangle at the top with a rectangle underneath. Take the bottom flap of the rectangle and fold it up over the triangle. Flip the paper over and do the same with the other bottom flap on the back side. Now, open the bottom of the folded paper by pulling the two sides out. It should form a diamond shape. Flatten it gently. Take the bottom corner of the diamond and fold it up to the top corner. Flip it over and fold the other bottom corner up to the top as well. Again, open the bottom by pulling the sides out to form another diamond. Flatten it. Finally, hold the top points of the diamond and pull them apart gently. This will open up your paper boat. Adjust it a little so it stands up properly. Your boat is ready. Tips for floating. If you want it to last longer in water, you can put a small strip of clear tape along the bottom edge to make it water-resistant. Lightweight cardstock holds its shape best when wet, but avoid heavy cardboard. How to make a paper airplane. Materials needed. 1 sheet of regular printer paper, 8.5 by 11 inches, or A4 paper. Regular printer paper is perfect for making airplanes. It is light enough to glide and strong enough to hold a crease. Instructions: start with your paper placed vertically. Fold the top edge down to the bottom edge and make a sharp crease. Then unfold. Fold the top 2 corners down to the center crease to make a triangle, similar to the start of the boat. Now, fold the triangle down so the tip touches the bottom edge. Take the top 2 corners again and fold them toward the center line, forming a long pointy nose shape. Fold the plane in half along the center crease with all your folds on the inside. To make the wings, fold one side down so the edge lines up with the bottom of the plane. Flip it over and repeat on the other side. Adjust the wings so they are straight and even. Your paper airplane is ready to fly. That's it. Now you know how to make a paper boat that floats and a paper airplane that flies. Thanks for watching. Check out the links below for some more creative origami ideas and inspiration. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy crafts.